If you want to get shots like this, you need an FPV drone. Here's the easiest way to get started. First, get the drone, goggles, and controller. I recommend the DJI Avata 2. You also need a simulator. You can download one on Steam. Here's the controls. The left stick up and down is your throttle. It's like the gas pedal. It controls how much power goes to the motors. Side to side on the left stick is your yaw. The right stick up and down is pitch, side to side is roll. If you've ever flown regular drones before, here's the biggest differences. In manual mode, the left stick doesn't control height, it's throttle. You're in control of how that's applied to the drone. There's also no stabilization, no training wheels. Nothing stops the drone from flipping over, and if you just let go of the stick, it's just going to keep on going. So the first skill you want to learn is hovering. To keep the drone in place, you'll be making constant micro adjustments on the right stick while balancing the throttle. To move, just point the right stick in the direction that you want and then bring it back to center. There's no brakes, so to stop moving in that direction, you need to point the drone the opposite way and then turn it back to hover. Turning is a bit more complex. You need to combine pitch, roll, and yaw like this to make smooth turns. When learning this for the first time, you will crash a lot. That's why the simulator is so important. Crashes in the sim are free. Crashes in real life are not. So before you fly outside, spend about 20 hours in the sim. Just plug the controller into your computer and you're good to go. If you can finish a race without crashing, you're ready. For me, it took about 10 hours before I could win a race and closer to 25 before I felt comfortable with my first flight. But the nice thing about the Avata 2 is that it can fly like a regular drone as well. So you can still have fun while you're practicing. But the simulator is where you get the muscle memory in and you lose the anxiety.